They had a lot of rain up in Michigan, record-setting rain, and those dams just couldn't hold the water anymore, and they broke, basically. They broke. 57 degrees for us. We're hopefully going to hold everything. You see the raindrops right on the Carter Finley Stadium lens. 56 as we look at Apex, 56 Chapel Hill, 55 in Wake Forest. It's chilly out there. I do have a couple 60s, but that's not saying much when our normal high is 81. It's 61 in Dunn, 61 in Fayetteville, but only 52 in Roxborough, 55 in Roanoke Rapids. So we're continuing with generally light rain. Right now it's centered over the triangle. It's not raining in Pinehurst or Fayetteville, but if you're watching us in the Sandhills, don't worry. Some rain's coming your way. As a matter of fact, I see some trying to creep up and build to the east from the southwest. And then we've had this flow, onshore flow, just kind of feeding the moisture off the Atlantic Ocean right over us. Most of the rainfall is light right now, but you can see a little moderate rain from Hillsborough through Chapel Hill. Nothing in Bahama, but as you approach Wake County, you've got light rain and then some moderate rain up through Oxford at this time. Here's the estimate for the rainfall. If you see bright green, it's over an inch. Yellow's 2, orange is over 3. The Roxborough area had a nice bullseye with a little over an inch of rain, and we did get that one report unofficially of up to 3 inches of rain, but it's not showing up on this this predictor, or not predictor, but this computer generated estimator, I should say, of rain, so it's not official on this map. But we see a lot of the rain out to the west, and same story with Moore County. Not much has fallen in Raleigh or Fayetteville yet, but it's that area of the Sandhills and where's already got some rain that has the flash flood watch. It goes until Thursday night. And I think it's for tonight and tomorrow morning when we could see some heavy downpours. By the way, this darker green is a river flood warning for the Dan River. That's not in our viewing area, but right in southern Cumberland County, a little river flood warning for the Cape Fear. We're watching the Haw River, too, in Chatham County. That should expect to get to flood stage over the next day or so. Because, look at this, we've got more additional rain coming our way. Hopefully not happening 4 or 5 inches, but there's that chance it could. But I'm looking at these numbers thinking 1 inch to 2 inches of rain likely still to come on top of the rain we've gotten already, and even more in some areas. So we'll keep an eye on that and watch for any potential flooding. Hopefully we won't get any. Rays of sunshine today? 0. Yeah, we got nothing for it. Nothing, honey. Just a good chance of rain. Look at these temperatures. 58 at 2, maybe 60 at 4 and 6, and then right back into the 50s. And the winds will be brisk, east to northeast, 15 to 20 miles per hour. So we got cloudy and rainy conditions. Not raining right this moment in Fayetteville, but it will this afternoon. 66, 62 Sanford, 64 Pinehurst. So the mildest air will get into the mid-60s right along the southern part of the Sandhills and the southern coastal plain. But look at the 61 Rocky Mount Wilson, only 59 Roanoke Rapids, 57 South Hill, Virginia, 56 Roxborough. I got 59 in Chapel Hill, just barely 60 in Durham, 61 Cary, 62 in Raleigh. Chilly day. All right, you can see on our FUTURECAST 3 o'clock, there'll be a lot of rain around, even in Fayetteville. And some of that moderate coming down, and we'll see more of that just feeding in. This is just coming in out of the right off the Atlantic Ocean, and that low just helping generate it with the circulation around the low in this trough of low pressure. And Thursday, more rain, and we're going to keep the rain going. We'll start to scatter it out on Friday as that low will finally move away a little bit, but we'll still see some scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm in the afternoon. So here we go. We got 62, and that's it this afternoon. Rainy conditions, maybe isolated thunder tonight, but I do want to mention a couple isolated storms tomorrow south of the triangle. There's a very slight chance they could reach severe limits in terms of just damaging wind, but we could see an isolated storm, but mainly a rainy day, 70 degrees. Scattered showers, couple storms on Friday, 78 degrees. And then the weekend, some relief. We got mostly sunny Saturday, maybe just a slight chance of a storm, and it'll feel like nothing when you see all the rain we've got now. So drying out for the weekend. Memorial Day looks great, 79 degrees. We're at 81 on Tuesday, and your exclusive 10-day forecast gets us to Friday, which is 85, which is the next to last day of May. That's how fast the month is going.